Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Our lecture series regarding uh, class 9 bearing exercise 6.6 is continue. You will, inshallah, we will complete this exercise by today. So let's start our exercise. So the introduction video already I will just give the link at the end. Okay, now we will start from question 1 of exercise 6.6. So that is measure the three figure bearing of point P from A from point B from point A using protractor. As we know that we know the rules that what are the rules? Bearing always the first rule is clockwise. I already told this about in the first lecture. You can find this the rules and properties. Then you will come to know it must be clockwise. The first thing, and the second is you have to write in three letters. Okay. So how we will find, for example, if the angle will be 30, so we will write like that. Okay, in three digits. So here point B from point A. So it means we have to move from A to B. Okay, always think that it's given that bearing of point B from point A. So it means that A point B from point A. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to see point A and then we will move towards B and we will use a protector. Okay, so this question is very easy. Just for explanation I am telling how to solve. Okay, you have to use the protector as I already know that we have to move like that. Okay, so like this. So what it must be, so after finding this, and this is what, so this is 50 degree as I already find. Okay, so this is 50 degree. Okay, we have to move from like this A to B. Okay, it's written that bearing of point B. Okay, this is the bearing of B from point A. So now what we have to write, you have to write the answer at the end. The bearing of, like this you can write the bearing of point, you can bearing of point B from point A, from point A is 0, 5, 0, like this. Okay, so this is answer. So I hope you understand, all of you. So now let's move toward the next question. Okay, so this question is in front of us, same like this. Okay, we have to see the bearing of B from point A. Okay, don't forget to see bearing of B from point A. So where is B? So bearing of A from point B. Okay, so we have to move from A and then like this clockwise towards B. Okay, so you have to use the protector. So there are too many things you can use. You can draw the line like this, one more line. Okay, straight line. So this will be 180. Okay, and the remaining will be, how much the remaining will be? So the total is, as I already found, it's 240. Okay, so the remaining will be 60 degree. You can find with the help of protector. Okay, like this, the this straight line 180 and this 60 degree. So you will write the answer at the end. The bearing of point B, the bearing of point B like this, and from A, from A, the bearing of from A is 2. You can write 240. No need to put 0, is already in 3 digits. So let's move toward the next question. So this is the third part of the question. So again we have to find the bearing of B from point A. Okay, so bearing of B from point A, so we cannot move, we have to move clockwise. Okay, so we will move clockwise from here and then here. Okay, if you find this angle, okay, with the help of D, in the total circle there, our total angle is 360 in the complete circle. Okay, this, in the complete circle the total angle is 360, and the remaining we will find with the help of protector, and then we will subtract. So basically, when we will find this, then with the help of the other method is, you have to move the line like this. So this is 180. Okay, and this one is the other, we will find with the help of protector. So we can use the two method. Okay, which method you feel easy, you can use that method. So now, so this angle is basically, as we I find that, so this is 180. Okay, and this is 45 degree. Okay, so this angle is 45 degree. So let's see. uh, okay, so as I find already, so 180 plus 45, so this will be 315 degree, or you subtract from this. Okay, the whole from 360. Okay, you will find this and then you will subtract, the whole will be 45. Okay, so the bearing of, you will write the answer like that, the bearing of point B from point A is 315 degree. So I hope you understand this. So let's move toward the next question. Okay, that is in front of us. So this question is very interesting and important question. uh, it look like difficult, but it's not a difficult. So we have to read the question very carefully first of all. So it's given, what it's given over here. School A and school B are marked. Okay, okay, it's already marked, you can see from here. This is school A and this one is school B. So now find the bearing of school A from school B. So we have to find the bearing of school A. Basically, you have to see. So it's written that find the bearing of school A. Okay, if you see this, you have to see this very carefully. Read the question very carefully. Bearing of school A. Okay, from school B. From school B. So if there are two lines, what you have to do? You have to just join these lines like this. Okay, first of all you will do like this. Okay, so now we have to find the bearing of school A. Okay, from school B. So where is school B? This is B. Okay, and make it like this, like this. Okay, clockwise. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to find the angle. So how we can find the angle? So it's very easy. You can do like this, the straight line. So what is straight line? This is 180 degree. Okay, and the other, or you can use the protector. Okay, which is allow. You can the remaining you will find, as I already found that. So the total is 245. Okay, the total is 245. So bearing, we will write like this, bearing of point A from point B, as he asked about point A from point B is 245 degree. So I hope you understand all of you about this question. So this easy question. So let's move toward the next question. So, so first of all, we have to read the question very carefully. So, so this question is also very important. So let's read. Two boats A and B. Okay, we have to given us two boats A and B are 5 km apart. So 5 km apart, two boats are there. We have to make the diagram, and the bearing of boat B is 250. Okay, so these are 5 km apart, and the bearing of B from A is 250. The bearing of B from A is asking. The boat B from boat A is 250. Okay, the bearing of boat B from boat A is 250. So draw the diagram, show the relative. So it's very easy. So we will draw like this. Okay, we can draw like this. One line you can draw like this, and the other line you can draw here. So it's a simple question. You people will use the scale. So here this is always North Pole. Okay. So I already told the rule. You can find the other video. I will just provide the link. You will see the rules and properties of bearing. So this distance is given 5 km apart. Okay. So let's give the name. This is A and this one is B. So this is 5 km apart, these two boats. Okay. Now what we have to tell? We have to tell that, so it's given one more thing, bearing of boat B from A, bearing of boat B from A. So we have to find the bearing of boat B from A. So this we will move from here like this. Okay, like this we will move. So let me make like this. Yes. Okay, so this. So how much the bearing of B from? So it is 250. So this question is very interesting. So this is a simple diagram that I'm making in front of you people. So you can also write board A, or you can also write here board B. Okay. So now let me change the color. Then it's easy for you understanding. Now look. So this the whole bearing of B. Okay, this the bearing of B from A is 250. Now what we have to show? Then find the bearing of A from B. So A from B. So bearing of A, this A. Okay, we have to find the bearing of A from B like this. Okay, so A from B we have to tell. Okay, so this angle we have to find. So how much is that? So let's see, all of you. If I will just exceed this line, I make this line like this. So the total is 250. Okay, the total angle is 250. We know. So this is, so this in the straight line, the angle is 180. So what the angle is remaining here? So remaining here is 70 degree. Yes. So you know that if I will increase this line, so this alternate angle must be equal. So here this must be 70 degree. So I can say that in an easy way, uh, the bearing of A from B, the bearing of A from B is 070 degree. You people will write like this. Okay, so this is an easy method. So I hope you people understand. So you can write these thing. If this question come, maybe it also it come in a long part. So you can write the things, draw the line. Okay, using scale 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, like this. Bearing of A from B is equal to 250 plus 180. So this like this, but you can solve in a simple way like that. So let move, but it's a good way that if you give straightforward answer instead of moving here and there. So let move toward the next question, as is this question is also very interesting and easy.